And good afternoon. We're just bringing you an update here because we do have a severe thunderstorm warning for Lackawanna County until 2:45, and that's it right there. The storm system we've been tracking, a lot of cloud to ground lightning, and it is moving over the Clark Summit area, and it is bringing downpours. So we want to bring you up to speed because there's going to be more of these storms bubbling up as we move through the afternoon. But because we have that severe thunderstorm warning, we just wanted to bring you up to speed as to what's going on. We also do have a flood watch we're keeping a close eye on as well. So let's go ahead and go back to the radar. You can see for yourself, it is right over northern Lackawanna County issuing that severe thunderstorm warning, and it is gradually working its way to the east. Now, it may expand a little bit more and brush. See Scranton right there? So I think certainly northern Scranton may get some rain from this and maybe potential for some damaging winds. So there's the Central Scranton Expressway. It is moving east. So German, Archbald, get ready. This has spawned a severe thunderstorm warning right here, as you can see. And it is moving to the east. And northern Scranton is also in the crosshairs for this. So let's just go ahead and zoom in on this. And we're going to give you an idea as to what you can expect. So there it is. And let's stretch this out because it is moving east. And we'll go ahead and expand that to about 24 miles. So there we go. Scranton, northern Scranton certainly could get brushed by this system. Troop, Mount Cobb, Canaan, also Honesdale. I mean, this is moving east and it's packing quite a punch. If we look at the bigger radar picture, there's not much happening out there. They're just beginning to bubble up here this afternoon. Let me go to the now image. And there you go. Yeah, so it's that one right there in northern Lackawanna County. We got another one just forming just north of Jim Thorpe, and between Williamsport and Lewisburg there's one that's trying to form there as well. But I want to go back to this one and we'll go inside the storm now. This is the one spawning that severe thunderstorm warning. Remember, if you were watching or Does It Really Work from last night, I was telling you about the weather station that I use at home. Well, this is it, example of what's happening at my house just after 2 o'clock. So a few minutes ago, you can see the lightning strike just occurred on the bottom right-hand corner, and it's saying, you know, lightning strike happening just now. And the interesting thing is, this isn't the first storm that we've had today. As a matter of fact, we've had multiple storms move through our area over the last, since midnight, we shall say. That's the just now right there. So that's showing that. Look at this. This is another one I want to show you. This is from my weather station. Let me go back to that image. And look at the amount of lightning strikes. Bottom left-hand corner. That's since midnight, 2,095. Now that's within a 25-mile radius of my house, but you get the idea. That is a lot of lightning with these storms as they move through this area right here. And temperature was at 80.4, but now that that storm's there, it's going to be dropping that rain-cooled air. So yeah, humidity is very high and a lot of fuel for these storms to work with. So we're going to continue to see these bubbling up. Here's another one. That's the one I was mentioning. Watsontown, get ready. This is moving east. Milton may expand. Could include places like Lewisburg as well as they continue to strengthen and climb vertically. And those cloud tops start getting darker. That means the clouds above them are building, and when you get those really dark clouds like that, you run into some problems. So want to be careful if you're heading out. Keep your outdoor plans. Keep an eye to the sky. Download that WNEP app. We also have that flood watch, and we're hoping that these storms stay away from Pike and Wayne counties. Last night, boy, it was relentless how much rain came through there. Just downpour after downpour with those storms. Here's a quick look at future clouds and radar. I've put it into motion here, and there it is, showing some more storms forming in that eastern part of the viewing area. And even central Pennsylvania, some storms there as well. Poconos could possibly get hit this evening, and once we get past, say, midnight, the atmosphere will begin to settle down a little bit. But even like last night, 9 o'clock, it was still 80 degrees in many spots. So we're keeping an eye on all of this. We've got some pretty impressive lightning happening out there with that one system that's moving through. And notice upstream, and I just want to show you this. Let's go to the now image. That is heading in our direction. So what you see back towards Bedford, Altoona, get ready, Beaver Springs, Tower City, and those areas, that is heading towards you. We're going to continue to see these storms through the afternoon. They will be possible. And looks like even into the evening hours, we're going to have a chance for some of these storms. So just wanted to bring you up to speed since that severe thunderstorm warning was issued just a little bit ago. It's until 2:45, but that's going to keep moving east. So you folks in Wayne, Pike, get ready. That could be moving through your area as well. So just to keep you safe and posted, I want you to have a great afternoon. Thanks for tuning in.